Okay, so let's get to the test. This is week 5, and the Mesopotamia test is on Canvas. So I am going to click the up arrow right here because you can see over here on the side, I don't have any of my tabs. So I'm going to click the up arrow and make sure I go to the very tippy top. It says Home, Newsela, Pages, Quizzes. So I'm going to go ahead and click Quizzes. And this takes us to our Mesopotamia OpenNote test. And you will be able to start that on November 18th at 8 a.m. So if I click it here, I'm sure it's going to give me a warning that I can't take it until November 18th at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's when it starts. But try to get it done when you are ready to take the test. And I hope this video helps. Good luck on the test.